Travel accessories can be expensive, but today I'm going to show you some of our favorites from Dollar Tree. If it doesn't work for you, it's not really saving money. So these are the items we actually use. Number one, a travel bottle. They make them for kids, they're all BPA free. They even have the tabs that you can use to clean the water bottles. You can get them with a straw, you can get them with a twist off lid. For $1.25, having a travel water bottle is almost a must have. You put a packet of electrolytes in it before you go through security. Then, once you go through security, you empty your packet into the bottle, add water, and you are all set for your flight. So, number one travel find, water bottle. Number two travel find. We are budget travelers, and so sometimes we are restricted to a backpack, which means we can't take two or three outfits. So, we take one or two outfits, and then we do laundry on the road. Sometimes we need to bleach our clothes because if you're wearing something white, like a white t shirt or white travel shirt, but you can't pack bleach until now, Dollar Tree came up with these bleach tablets. They work great. You just kind of crumple them up, put them in the sink, and they get rid of stains and they refresh your white clothes. I love these. Sometimes Dollar Tree has dupes that don't really work as well as the name brand, but in this case, these actually work great. These stain wipes work every bit as good as the shout wipes, and we use them all the time. Not only do they have the pouches, but they also have the stain remover pen. The next item up is something we never want to have to use, but it sure is nice to have it if we need it, and that is a rain poncho. This is something that's very lightweight. It fits most people. You can stick it in your bag and just have it with you in case you need it. It's great for theme parks, if you're going on a tour, if you're doing a city walk, I would recommend taking a poncho. Number four on our list is makeup. We all have the makeup we like to use and we're used to having at home, but if you're traveling and you want to have something that you don't have to decant, it automatically comes in sizes that are TSA approved. Maybe give Dollar Tree makeup a try. I have used the foundation, pressed powder, mascara. It's all worked out fine. The shades, you can blend different shades. If you're going to be on vacation, you're probably going to get more sun, so your skin tone may change anyway. So give it a shot. But it's kind of a fun idea to try out new makeup when you're on vacation. Number five on our list, travel suction cups. This is an unusual find in the hardware department, but I find great use in having them. I actually take around three or four with me every time I travel. They adhere to tile and glass. They don't really do wallpaper or painted surfaces, but you can use them on the glass in the bathroom, sometimes on the shower door, on the mirror. If you had a wet bathing suit or clothes you want to dry, I usually stick them on the outside of the sliding glass door. Number six is activity books and journals. Activity books are great to keep kids busy. Journals are great to document your trip. They come in a variety of sizes and colors. They are very lightweight, they're very thin. You can get one for each trip and document. Because you have one for each trip, you have the room to draw pictures, make notes, and make it fun. Make it like a little mini scrapbook. So I would highly recommend grabbing a journal and an activity book. Number seven is pillow spray. I like the smell of lavender. I find it really relaxing. And so I like to take a little bit of this. I decant it in a smaller container so that I can get it through TSA. This comes in a bottle that's just too big to take through TSA. But I put it in a smaller one, spray my pillows, spray my sheets, pair this with an eye mask and earplugs, and that's a good night's sleep right there. Number eight on my list is first aid kits. You can get them with just bandages, or you can get larger ones that have the tape, and some may even have some neosporin in them. But I love that they have the kits already made up, so you can just purchase one and slide it into your personal item bag or in your in-flight essentials bag. It's always a great idea to keep that in the keep one in the car as well. Number nine is poopery, or Dollar Tree's version of poopery. It's great to have on the plane. It's great to have in a hotel room. It's great to have when you're out and about. So I would highly recommend grabbing some of their put a lid on it. And if you're traveling with a group, it makes a great addition to a gift bag. Number 10 on my list is Dollar Tree wipes. Dollar Tree has really upped their game in this department. They have after sun wipes, the antibacterial wipes. They have wipes that just make you feel good. I usually take a pack of the citrus wipes and keep that in my personal item. And then when I'm out and about and traveling and touring, it's so cool to just be able to wipe my hands off and they still smell really nice. Also, the Clorox wipes, we all use those when we wipe down the seat tray, the belt buckles, and other things on the airplane. So, take a look at what Dollar Tree is offering in the wipes department. They also have these HERS wipes, which are toileting wipes, personal care wipes, and they're individually wrapped, so they are really nice to have for traveling. Next on my list is skincare. Not only is it just lotion, but they also have facial serums like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. They even have some retinol products. They have different kinds of lotions and potions and serums and eye masks and under eye care. If you're like me, your skin gets really dry, especially if you're flying. And so it's always great to have a small bottle of hand lotion. But this Neutrogena dupe right here, it smells so clean. It is my favorite hand lotion. Give it a try. I can't believe we are already to number 12 is a shower poof. I pair this with one of my suction cup shower hooks and I hang this in the shower. A lot of the places we go in different countries we've traveled to, they don't have washcloths, so it's nice to have a shower poof. Number 13 travel find is a carabiner. This is something you'll find in the hardware department. This carabiner, I wouldn't use it for rock climbing, mountain climbing, but it's definitely nice to have to clip on your backpack or your purse just to have an extra clip. It's an extra pair of hands. You can clip your water bottle to it or use the carabiner to clip on an extra pair of shoes. Carabiners are really handy to have, so grab a couple of those. Next on my list is Dollar Tree's Wrinkle Away. You know, for years I've used the Downy Wrinkle Releaser. Well, Dollar Tree came up with their version, Wrinkle Away. So the first thing we do when we get to our hotel is we hang up all of our clothes and then we spray them with this Wrinkle Away. It does a really nice job. It also freshens clothes. If you don't have time to wash your clothes and you just need them refreshed, spray them with some of this and hang them up. Number 15 on our list is snacks. You know how expensive airport snacks can be. Well, give Dollar Tree a try. They have dehydrated fruit, they have different nut mixes, cookies, candies, chips, gums, mints. Give Dollar Tree a try, you'll save some money. And because we appreciate you sticking around to the end so much, we're giving you a bonus tip. When you are checking out at Dollar Tree, look at the impulse items around the register. They have the biggest variety of different lip balms, lip glosses, and chapsticks. So we would highly recommend that. This is by no means a comprehensive list of all the things I use from Dollar Tree, but it is some of our favorites. So if you like this video, please like and share. And if you want to see more of this content, please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day.